T&B Liquidtight Systems F&B Seal Kits provide superior protection and ingress performance in a wide variety of food and beverage applications.
Exposed threads are difficult to clean and can harbor bacteria. With T&B Food and Beverage Seal Kits, all unwanted exposed threads and gaps are sealed. Step 1. Install thread seal and seal gasket on fitting body. Step 2. Once hand tight, tighten an additional 1/4 turn using tools. Step 3. Tighten gland nut to complete contact with thread seal. NSF approved for use in splash zones, making them suitable for wet or damp processing areas, high-pressure washing or decontamination, equipment surfaces that are subject to splash or spillage during operation, hygienic food-grade design constructed of UL-listed and FDA-compliant materials. For installation in straight, 45-degree elbows, and 90-degree elbows, available in trade sizes from 1/2 to 2 inches. UL listed and CSA certified when installed with T&B Liquidtight Systems stainless steel fittings. A more cost-effective solution for splash zone applications than competitors' highly specialized standalone products. For use with T&B Liquidtight Systems Food and Beverage antimicrobial conduits. If you would like to learn more about this or any other ABB products, please scan the QR code or reach out to your local ABB installation product rep for more details.